24-hour survival challenge. Last week we saw Dylan's attempt. This week it's my turn. Shelter, fire, water and food. EDC Knife Only. See what we get accomplished. Bring it on. That smoke. Special feature where you can tilt it up a bit higher.
Smooth Gefixt houden.
The Germany. Oh yes, we got our first water source. Hoo-hoo-hoo. Look at this. Some mint. Might take some with me for tea. Would be nice, huh? Do you hear what I hear? I hear some frogs. What does that mean? That means water. Oh yeah. Look at that. Yep, there we have it. It's the burdock plant. That's great news. Let's craft ourselves a fancy digging utility. Well, nice. Not a good stick at all. Teeny knickers. Well, the best wild edibles you find yourself at a freaking roadside. Okay. These are small. It's way too small to be sustainable food. Will we keep it? Okay. By the way, the stuff you see me carry, it's just some camera gear. I'm not using any of that for the survival itself. I have been walking quite a bit and I'm not seeing a lot of interesting stuff yet. No bow drill material, woods, and no... oh, look at this! And no water, especially. Water is crucial, right? Elderberry. That might be quite interesting for a bow drill. Maybe. I think this stuff is not too bad. When digging these out, you should dig quite deep to not leave behind half of the root. Hello. Hi. Tough job indeed. Now that's a pity, isn't it? I pulled way too early. A slug. Should we eat ourselves a slug? Yes, nice. Nice one. I am sweating. I should really mind my hydration indeed, and give priority to water now. we just hit the jackpot. It's a big one. The ground was really stony, so I only got this piece. Shit. We got ourselves some hazel here. Let's check that out for a bow drill. But damn, you hear that? It's thunder. We're really running out of time here. It starts raining and there might be thunder coming. Quickly gather some dry leaves, maybe for tinder bundle later on. Here comes the rain. Shit is hitting the fan here. I gotta find myself a shelter and a safe location with the thunder. We're not doing very well here. I got like nothing done and it's piss and fucking rain. Shit is hitting the fan here. My tree here is starting to leak through. Ay, ay, ay. The birds start whistling again. For being safe in a thunderstorm, we're not in the ideal position, but it could be worse. You know, there is up the higher elevation and we're on the lower ground, so that's good. But still, these trees are quite high and we are on the edge of an open area. You of course want to be at low elevation and under some low bushes, not tall trees. Sky is clearing up. I gotta get myself going again. I think this should be reasonably drinkable. I was quite thirsty. Okay, let's get things going. Okay, let's go into the forest here. Have a look for a shelter location. Damn, it's hard finding a good shelter location. Spent half the day on it. But this gotta be it, underneath that beech tree. We have some ferns around, which you can help make it waterproof and all. Or at least a little bit of rain protection, you know. Let's get things going, Julius. Come on, buddy. We gotta fix shit. Awesome. How? Jongen, 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 jongen. Nice. Just a very basic little shelter frame. I'm going to put some ferns over it and hopefully that will keep me dry for the night. Should work. So the basis of my shelter is done. I will work on this a little more later on maybe. But first priority should now be the fire. But here comes the rain. Where is it the wind? It's the wind. No. It's freaking raining up there. Here it is dry. But there... No, it's the wind. I don't know, man. Okay, we need this one. This guy here. You see? Dry firewood, hopefully. Relatively. And easy to process. Yes. It's far gone though. It's a nice oak. Okay, mind your headies. Awesome. No. How did I break that freaking thing down? Awesome. There goes my wood. That's not gonna work. Yes, there you go. Let's prep this bow. So this is gonna be my spindle and this is gonna be the board. It's a bit small for the board, but I hope that works. Now what we need is break this through. Nice. Gently baton this down. Of course a knife like this is not really suitable for this, but you know, you gotta do something. Well, nice. Just cut it. Cut it all the way down. That works a lot better. Yes. Don't baton with this kind of knife. Don't do it, Julius. Hey, we can use those bubbly. I don't know the name. Spaanders. It's spaanders in Dutch. The board is quite small though, but I think it should work. Make a notch for the bow drill cord. Carving the notch in. Already tried it out with the bow drill a little bit. Seems to work great. And the midges are all over the place. Yeah, we shouldn't go deeper. Now we need some little kindling. Maybe I can make myself a little feather stick here. It's gonna be a small one, but even a small one is better than no feather stick. You know, it's hard to process wood with a Leatherman, with a freaking pocket knife, because I have those saturations here. I can only use this part of the knife now. It's not really efficient with this Leatherman. Those freaking midgets. Okay, well, it's not a pretty one, but it is something. Yeah, you want to have your normal fire stuff well prepared before you start bow drilling. Because, you know, the worst thing that could happen is that you succeed in a bow drill, but fail in getting your fire on. Because you don't have your wood ready. Yeah, it's hard, because everything is soaking wet. So my bow drill set has been prepped. Got my hardboard, my spindle, a bearing block, and the bow. Then over here I got my kindling and the spanders. Yes. Let's hope we succeed very quickly. Yes. Okay. What do I need to do? I think everything is ready. Let's see. A little bit of leaf for lubrication. Put that in here, in the bearing block, and then we can start drilling. Let's warm this up. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Come on, Julius. Hey, hey, hey. Here comes the smoke. Oh no. Oh, we're getting there. We are getting there. I think I will make my notch a little bit bigger. Rest a little bit and then we try again. My arm is hurting already. Ah, for sake, it's not going great now. Let's try out this new technique. I think I'm wasting my energy. I don't have the power. I just don't have the power. I cut it in my cord, so I need to replace my cord. Need to use my other bootlace. It's not going well, is it? Keep it going. Keep it going. Come on. Keep it going. Ay, ay, ay. It's starting to get dark for real. Do we have an ember? Almost there. I think we got it. I think we got an ember. We got an ember. Yes. Finally. That was tough. Look at this. Gee, me knickers. We got it. Look at that. Look at that. You seen anything? Are you seeing it? We got it. Awesome. Okay. Easy now. We can't screw this up. We can't screw this up. Fire base. Fire base. Okay. Then I have here in my pocket the dry leaves. We got it this afternoon. this should make the bird nest. It should happen. It should happen. It should happen. Okay, that one failed, but it gives us good spirit to try it again. You know, the leaves, it's not easy. It's not ideal. It's not ideal at all. I completely screwed it up there. I am going to do it again. Do it again. I ain't got the strength. I ain't got the strength. So I was close again, but I don't have the strength anymore. I think what I'm gonna do is improve my shelter and get through the night without a fire. No fire. I am a bit worried about the midgets, but it's what it is. So I'm laying in my shelter now. It's all closed off, all sides. I don't really have a bedding this time. Like, I could have used ferns, for example, but they were wet. So this is what it is. I'm just laying on the ground. I am too tired to talk crap anymore. See you tomorrow. Good morning, my friends. It was a damn cold night, but I'm alive. I'm gonna open my shelter here. There's the outside. All right. Let's do a new attempt this morning on making a fire. At least bow drilling will get me warm again. Ay, ay, ay. Isn't that a jolly good morning? You're saying bullshit. Oh no. I'm struggling. Nice and cozy. Just bare ground. It was okay. It was okay. Actually, for an enclosed shelter, it's quite big. You want to have it maybe a little bit smaller for more insulation value. Well, since I'm not having a fire, I guess I'm gonna eat these things raw. Yummy. We'll see how that tastes. Here we go. Oh. It's advisable to definitely cook them, because this is just raw. And actually those burdock roots, they are a very good source of starch. They taste actually very nice if you cook them properly. You can just bake them on the fire. So unfortunately no fire this time. I was lacking the strength, and maybe this is also not the right combination, both raw materials after all. It's a pine spindle and an elderberry board. I thought it should work fine, but well, and in fact I got an ember, so maybe it's not to be blamed about it. Of course the circumstances weren't too easy. I mean, we had piss and soak and rain yesterday. It's what it is. So then the only thing I can say, Smooth Gefixt next time, and tell me what you think. Yeah, I hope to have done better, but this is what it is. Tell me what you think. Check out Dylan's attempt of this survival challenge, and if you like our content, maybe consider subscribing, because we got some cool stuff coming up. Thanks for watching. See you next Thursday. Smooth Gefixt.